and welcome back to the Lido Boulevard Journal. I'm Noemi Wright, and I'm here with
Kira Davis
and Alexis Richards, and it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to
Stop. Let's just get right into the news. Third quarter is starting soon, and that means new sports. 7th and 8th grade boys volleyball and 7th and 8th grade girls basketball. Good luck at tryouts.
Here we have a special interview about the library puzzle.
Hi, I'm Lily Evans with Lido Boulevard Journal. I'm here with Miss Van Loon and a few students. So Miss Van Loon, how did you come up with this idea?
So this is our community puzzle. We started this 2.5 years ago. We thought it would be a great idea to have a place where students can come in and focus on a puzzle. Students, staff, and administrators do come in, they'll stop by, they'll put in a piece. We have teachers dropping puzzles off now so that the students can work on them. The puzzle behind me, the cupcakes, this is our first puzzle that we completed, and we have about 5 or 6 hanging up throughout the library that were completed.
What do you guys like about the puzzles?
I like how it gives me a nice distraction from reality, so I can just do this puzzle and not focus on anything else. It gives me a nice relaxing thing to do during lunch.
What I like to do is I like to come in here and I like to work on the puzzle and just putting just one piece together on the board, you get a sense of accomplishment.
What has your favorite puzzle been?
I'm going to say I think it has been the one we have right now with all the dessert, because I've really been engaged in trying to figure it out, and I like how it seems that others have been contributing to the puzzle, because it seems that whenever I come back there's more pieces in.
So I too really like this one. I like the theme, and I like just putting the pieces together and making the picture. But the puzzle that I probably worked the most on and had the most fun with was the 101 alligators in a purse puzzle. That I did the most work on, and I put the most pieces together for that.
Thanks. I'm Lily Evans in the Lido Boulevard Journal. Back to the studio.
An artist came last Thursday to make a beautiful mural. Let's see what it's all about.
Thank you for watching the Lido Boulevard Journal. Signing off, Noemi Wright,
Kira Davis,
And Alexis Richards.
Stay tuned after the credits for the fun fact of the day.
Did you know that McDonald's used to sell bubblegum flavored broccoli?
Oh, you want some?